Oh, oh, you know you want this. I know you do. Oh, I know there's like gotta be a fetish site on the internet for people like me right now who can't stop coughing, and they can't breathe, and their breath probably smells really bad, and they're just really sickly, and there's got to be somebody out there that finds that really hot. So maybe I should post this video on one of those sites and just see what I get. Just open my doors, to the realm of possibilities. So anyway, I'm just going to throw that out there. Thanks.